Hello friends, my name is Dr. Kunal Nath and I am a neurologist and I am a law graduate and I impart medico legal education to my colleagues, doctors and to patients. So today I am going to present you a very interesting article which was published in Egyptian Journal of Neurosurgery, and all the authors are Indian authors. I'll give the credit to the authors: Aakash, Asishkumar, Sethi, Gayatri, Suvro, Laha, and Kalpita, Samrat, Shringarpure. And this was a very interesting article where they have actually seen cases of medical negligence against neurosciences doctors, neurosurgeons and neurologists. So they collected a database and they collected around 35 judgments of National Consumer Redressal Forum. And amongst this, they found out very interesting points which they have mentioned in this article. So what they found out was that neurosurgeons are implicated more than neurologists in medical negligence and medical malpractice claims. Out of these 35 judgments which came, 65% were against neurosurgeons. And which were the two most common diseases which led to medical negligence claims were the surgeries for meningioma and spondylolisthesis. So they found out that maximum claims were after post these surgeries. Another important thing which they found out that neurosurgeons who did immediate post-surgical radiological test, if there is any complication, they had a lesser chance of facing a medical malpractice suit than against neurosurgeons who delayed getting a post-operative neurosurgical radiological test. For example, if you have done a surgery of meningioma and post-operative you see that there is neurological deficit is increasing, so the possibility of post-operative bleed may be there. So if immediately CT scan is done or immediately a repeat imaging is done and the bleed is found out and managed, then the chance of deteriorating clinically further decreases. So even in this medico legal article, they found out that neurosurgeons who were prompt in ordering post neurosurgery radiological test suffered less medical negligence claims than those who delayed it. Another thing which they found out was, and they quoted a very relevant judgment of the National Consumer Redressal Forum, which was that if patient is asking you to conduct a surgery which you don't feel that it is an urgent and it has to be done with proper protocol, so you should not break the protocol even if the patient demands such. So you will have to take a proper medico legal decision, proper protocol you have to follow. Just by the request of the patient you cannot bypass any protocols. The 35% judgments were in which the neurophysicians were also involved. So takeaway from this article was a very good article, first article which I could lay my hands on, where specifically neurosciences medico legal claims have been tabulated in a article. And the takeaway for neurosurgeons in this is that one, if you face any complication post your neurosurgery and you feel that a radiological investigation has to be done, you should be prompt in ordering such investigation. Another thing, other judgment which they quoted is that there was a case in Jaipur where a chordae equina patient was operated by an orthopedic surgeon, and where the complainant had claimed that this surgery could only be conducted by a neurosurgeon and not an orthopedic surgeon, in which the Honorable National Consumer Forum, after taking an expert opinion from AIIMS Delhi, categorically told that such a surgery could be performed both by neurosurgeon as well as an orthopedician. So sometimes this also comes in the grey area of medico legal cases, that why the orthopedic surgeon performed a surgery which should have been performed by a neurosurgeon. So takeaway is that nowadays relying only on past investigations and not ordering fresh investigations, even if you you are seeing that the patient is clinically deteriorating, especially for neurosurgeons, that you should order a radiological investigation as prompt as it is clinically feasible. Number two, the average compensation which was ordered in this study was 3 lakhs was the average compensation ordered. They compared it with the compensations ordered in neurosciences in UK. It was 2 crores per case, and in USA it was 21 crores. So still in India, the mean or average compensation offered after a medical malpractice suit in neurosciences is still 3 lakhs. So you can have an access of the article. I'll be sharing the link, and all the credit to the authors. And this video was made for my own interpretation for fair purpose and educational purpose. Thank you very much.